Now to local news. Coronavirus here. Members of Milwaukee's Public Health and Safety Committee weighing in on the city's decision to end its COVID-19 restrictions next week. Milwaukee's Public Health and Safety Committee just held that special meeting as the city prepares to get rid of all that and have a new public safety plan. Mary Jo Ola live right now to bring us up to speed on the meeting. Mary Jo.
Hey, Tom, the Milwaukee Moving Forward order is set to expire on June 1st, but Common Council members say they were left out of those discussions, sparking concern and confusion as to the decision to rescind that order. Some of the concerns they expressed today surrounded disparities.
Now we're going to take away the extra things that aid the requirements that aid in people potentially not contracting it to me just opens up the floodgates, particularly for the Black community.
Putting the genie back into the bottle in fall may be a little harder, especially if you get people used to not having masks and not worrying about them. It may be a little harder than we think.
Now, that concern and confusion is a big reason why this meeting was held in the first place. Committee members expressed concern also over how the decision was made to rescind the order, how private businesses could enforce face mask requirements, and the potential impact on communities, considering certain segments have low vaccination rates, some around 20%, while the city overall is in the 40% range. Milwaukee's Commissioner of Health said she's comfortable with the move to pull back on the health order and mandate, given higher vaccine rates among the most vulnerable age groups, the decline in deaths and hospitalizations, as well as disease transmission, all verified by testing the city's wastewater. Now, the city's health commissioner believes that looking at the trends, she's not concerned about potential disease spread over the summer, but notes that if the numbers do head in the wrong direction, she will not hesitate to put another health order back in. Now, ahead of this morning's meeting, nearly 36 public comments were submitted, showing citizens across Milwaukee are split on the decision. In Milwaukee, Mary Jo Ola, TMJ4 News.
All right, Mary Jo, thank you. The health order has been a long process, so let's take a look at how we got to this point. May 14th of 2020, the City of Milwaukee issues the Moving Milwaukee Forward order, which is where this all began. Now, fast forward to February of this year, the Health Department modifies its order, easing gathering limits as disease trends continue to improve. Then last week, the City of Milwaukee announced its health order would end June 1st, which is 6 days from right now. So let's take a closer look at how other major Midwestern cities are handling their mask mandates. Chicago's mask mandate has already been lifted. That happened on May 18th. Indianapolis plans to lift their mask mandate on June 7th. And Minneapolis will no longer require face coverings starting July 1st. New at noon.